In this video, we see how to select a job, declare the station and measure points, and change the station point. Switch on the instrument, pressing the power key. To select a job, press F3 key to enter the memory menu. Press 1 key to enter the job menu. Press 1 key to select the job select item. Select a job, for example job 1, in which you want to save the work, using the arrow keys. Press enter key to confirm and return to the job menu. If you want to rename the job, press 2 key to select the job rename item. Press shift key to switch between alphabet and numbers. Edit the new name by keyboard. Press enter key to withdraw and return to the job menu. Press escape key to return to the main menu. To declare station and measure points, press F1 key to enter the measure mode. Press Func key to scroll the pages until the Rec Soft key appears on the screen. Select the Rec Soft key. Press 1 key to select occupied data item. Edit the station point name. Insert the instrument height and coordinates by keyboard. Press F3 key to confirm. Press 1 key to select azimuth item. Edit the azimuth angle, the target height and the backside point name. Aim to the point and press F1 key to measure. Press F3 key to confirm. Press 3 key to select collect points item and start measuring. Press shift key to change the target type. Aim to the target and press F2 key. Once the point is measured, press F4 key to store it. Edit the point ID by keyboard. And press enter key to turn the page. Edit the target height. And press F1 key. The point ID has been auto-increased. It is possible to press F1 key to measure and store data in the same time, but the point ID cannot be edited. To change station point, measure the next station point. And edit its name. Power off the instrument and move it on the new station point. Switch on the instrument and open the Rec menu. Press 1 key to set the new station point. Press F1 key to select the new station point from measurement database. Select the new station point from the list, and press enter key. Edit the new station height, and press F3 key. Press F1 key to do not overwrite. Press 2 key to select backside item. Press F1 key to select the backside point from measurement database. Select the previous station point, and press enter key. Edit the height, and press F4 key. Aim to the backside point and press F1 key to measure. Press F3 key to confirm. Press F1 key to do not overwrite. Press 3 key to continue surveying. You can change the EDM settings before surveying. In the measure mode, select EDM soft key. For more details, refer to the user manual. Thank you for your attention. Have a good job with R1 Plus Total Station.